Hey guys, Coach Steve here. We're going to talk about just basics of Jiu Jitsu. First thing we're going to do today is tying the belt, okay? So I want to take it in front of me like this. Make sure it's even on both sides. Bring it behind me and I cross behind me, okay? Just like that. I can tell right now it's nice and even. If it's not, I can move it around from right here, okay? I take one side, put it over the top. It goes over this top one and underneath the other one, just like this. Pull that tight. Now this one on the left comes over the top. I make another knot and pull. This is basics of tying the belt. Okay, I'll show you one more time, just without talking. I'll just go through it. And there you have it.